In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the chat feature from your Wix website. Many website owners find that having a chat feature can be beneficial, but there are situations where you might want to streamline the user experience by removing it. Whether you're looking to simplify your site's design or reduce distractions for your visitors, I'm here to guide you through the process with clear and concise steps. So, let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged in to your Wix account. If you're not already logged in, go to the Wix website and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your site dashboard. From there, you'll want to open your website's editor. This is where all the magic happens. The editor is your main interface for making any changes to your site, and you'll be spending a bit of time here, so take a moment to familiarize yourself if it's your first visit. Now, let's find the chat element that's currently on your site. On most websites, the chat feature will be represented by a bubble or box, often located in the bottom corner of your web page. If you're having trouble locating it, visually scan the corners of your site's pages. It's strategically placed to catch the eye of visitors. Remember, you need to be on the page that contains the chat feature you intend to remove. Once you've identified the chat element, click on it to make sure it's selected. This will allow you to interact with it within the editor. Now, to remove it, press the Delete key on your keyboard. This might feel a bit abrupt, but don't worry. The editor is designed to make it easy for you to control which elements appear on your site. Finally, after you've deleted the chat element, it's important to publish your site to ensure the changes are saved and reflected for your visitors. Look for the Publish button, usually located at the top right corner of the editor. Publishing might take a few moments, but once it's done, you can rest assured that the chat feature has been successfully removed. And there you have it. Your website is now free of the chat feature, with a cleaner, more focused user experience. If you ever wish to reintroduce the chat feature, you can do so by heading back into the editor and adding it again. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on managing your Wix site effectively. See you next time.